Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to do the Egypt dance trend using an easy method. We'll begin with the fundamental arm movements. First, bend your arms at a 90-degree angle, keeping your elbows tucked in close to your sides. Then, extend one arm straight forward with your palm facing down and smoothly bring it back. Alternate this motion with the other arm, creating a graceful, fluid movement. Remember to keep your shoulders relaxed and your core gently engaged throughout. Now, let's integrate your head and torso to enhance the dance. As you extend an arm, gently tilt your head in the opposite direction, adding an expressive touch. Simultaneously, try to incorporate a subtle chest pop or a smooth ripple through your upper body with each arm movement. Keep your gaze soft, looking just beyond your extended hand. Practicing these steps slowly will help you achieve seamless coordination and a truly fluid performance. Next, we'll add some simple leg work and foot placement to complete the look. Begin by standing with your feet about hip-width apart, gently shifting your weight from one side to the other. As you shift your weight, allow the heel of your unweighted foot to lift slightly off the ground. You can also incorporate a small, subtle step forward or backward with each weight transfer. Remember to keep your knees soft and slightly bent, which will give you more flexibility and help maintain the rhythm. Finally, let's put all these elements together to perform the full Egypt dance trend. Begin by practicing the combined arm, head, and torso movements along with the leg work we just learned. Start at a very slow tempo, focusing on smooth transitions between each step. As you become more comfortable and confident, gradually increase your speed. The key is to maintain a consistent, flowing motion and to truly enjoy the unique and expressive style of this dance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.